This is your exercise for the last couple of lessons really. What I want you to do, and I've shared this file with you, so you could use this to complete the work, or you could do it on paper. That's acceptable, as long as you sort of either mail it to me or send it upon Show My Homework, or even if you go into the lesson and create a page in your own area in term 4. You can save your work or put your work there, or you can come into here, and I'm going to make this lesson available to you now. So there will be a link here, logic exercise. So this page will be available to you. You can see me doing this now. So I will not allow you to do the editing, so you're going to have to make a copy yourself. And so I'm going to copy that link. Now, please notice what I'm doing here, because if you need to put your PowerPoint on a page yourself, you need to go through the same method. So I'll show you that again in a minute. So I've just written logic exercise in here. I've copied the link. I'm going to right click on here and paste that link in that box. So there we go. I just need to do a bit of work here. Whoops. For some unknown reason on my Mac it goes a bit wild when I paste links. So that is how to do that. Let's go through that one again. If you've got a file, let's go back to your file. So if you've done a PowerPoint, you need to click on share. You need to change that to do not allow editing, or you could leave this alone, because if I want to comment on the page then I can. But basically you can take the tick out of that box, then click apply, then click copy link. That's copied for you. You can go back to your own page, and let's see, have I got anybody who's no longer with us? No. So you could create a page. I'm going to create a page in here. Add a page, exercise. There we go. Write something like my work. Highlight that. Right click to get link. Choose link and then paste that link into that box, and that will share your presentation with me. Or you can do it, as I said, on paper and email it, or send it through Show My Homework. So what I want you to do, I've given you these so that you can sort of duplicate the slides and use these symbols, or again, I have given you these images at the bottom of this page, and or not. They're all without legs, so you can put your own on. Whatever you want to do with them, I've just given you the pieces. So here are the questions, what I want you to do. So draw the diagrams and the truth tables for the following equations. So you might need to think really hard about them. So there are 5 there. Q equals A and B, Q equals A or B, Q equals A and not B, Q equals not A or not B, and Q equals not B. I expect the diagrams and the truth table for them. So really I would expect a diagram like this and the truth table. This is your second exercise. Complete the truth table. So look at this diagram, work it through, fill out the truth table here, and then write the equation like this as your answer. And finally this one, I'm just giving you the truth table. I want you to do the diagram and write the equation for it. So there's a fair amount of thinking and a fair amount of work to be done there. If needs be, go back over previous videos to see what is available for you. So this is your exercise for the lesson. Really important. Please share it with me so that I can have a look at your progress.